Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. My dumbass messed up the audio recording of this original video, so I had to re-record the audio. So yeah, it's just a quick video of me putting back the sound editing material. There's not much commenting to do. It's pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So I'm just gonna let the cinematic shots do its job.
If you don't get Boy, if you don't get
So yeah, my work here is initially done. In total, I had 5 pieces of sound deadening material. 4 of them I used on the floor, and the 5th one I used to cover part of the tunnel from each side. If you're removing the carpet of your car, I fully recommend you doing this. It's a relatively easy and cheap job. It only cost me like 35 euros, and it took me approximately 3 hours to apply new sound deadening material. The only thing that's gonna require you a bit of patience is to remove the old sound deadening material. However, in my case, that material was crusted and old, haven't been changed in like over 30 years. And yeah, my floors were rusted, so I cut most of it out anyways. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I know it was a quick one, but I want to show you my progress on E36 anyways. There are a lot more videos to come. Next time I will be probably putting my rear subframe back. I will be assembling it, and I will be fixing up the whole interior. I will be putting my carpet back in.